Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk through how to install UserIQ in your web application. This tracking code makes it possible to identify your users and how they interact with your app. Once you do this, you'll be able to deliver tailored content through targeted segments, track engagement, and measure performance of specific features or areas. Keep in mind, this code will be dynamically loaded on any page you want to track, so you only have to install it once. Let's get started. First, open your welcome email. This email contains a link to your tracking snippet along with the documentation your technical team will use for the installation. We recommend that you install the tracking snippet in the footer of your application, as the footer appears on every page. You'll then pass user and account data to UserIQ through custom variables. Don't forget to remove and replace the default text within your own custom variables. There are 6 variables we label as mandatory, but there is no limit to the number you can pass. Including more variables allows you to fully utilize the functionality of UserIQ. Let's walk through what those variables are and how to set them up. The first variable is user ID, which must be a unique value. For example, tstark33. This is the cornerstone for most of our analytics and engagements. The second variable is username. For example, Tony Stark. The third variable is the account ID, which must be unique. An example, 1547894. All the user data will be rolled up to the accounts, providing a single page for all of the user data associated with the account. The fourth variable is the account name, for example, Stark Industries. The fifth variable is the sign-up date, which allows you to target users based on length of time in your app. This could be used for an onboarding campaign targeted to users less than 30 days old. Make sure the format is written as 4 digits for the year, 2 digits for the month, and 2 digits for the day. For example, 2017-12-31. The sixth variable is user email. This will allow you to engage with users through an email campaign or segment based on domain. For example, tony.stark@starkindustries.com. For more information on custom variables, you can also refer to our Help Center article. Once this is complete, how will you know if you installed the tracking code correctly? Great question. You will get a message like this saying UserIQ is not yet receiving information from your tracking snippet. This message will disappear from your dashboard once your tracking snippet is active. Once the tracking code is active and you're logged into UserIQ, you should see the UIQ bubble on the bottom right corner of your app. That's it. If you have any questions, we're happy to help.